Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Stewart the teacher. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access OpenAI's recently introduced model, GPT-O3-mini, completely for free. As you may know, the GPT-O3-mini model is currently not available to free users on ChatGPT. Right now, it's only accessible to pro users, and OpenAI has announced that it will soon be available to enterprise and plus users as well, and subsequently to free users. But as of now, it's not yet available. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply use it for free on a platform called POE, P-O-E, so POE.com. If you're already familiar with it, great. But if not, stick around because I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. First, head over to poe.com, and once you are there, you have the option to continue with Google or continue with Apple. You can as well enter your email here, and they will send you a code so that you can sign up for the first time. If you already have an account, then it will log you in. I recommend that you continue with Google, since that will help you to bypass the phone verification stage. However, if you are prompted to verify with your phone number, you can go ahead, enter your phone number, and follow the process to get verified. If per any reason your phone number is rejected, I'll do another video on this same channel, so make sure you stick around. You search the other videos on the channel to get that video on how you can still get verified even if your number is rejected. So I'm going to use Google. Just going to get one of my Google accounts. Okay, let me use this one. Continue. So we see I am signed up successfully, and because I used Google, it didn't ask for any phone verification. So you can do same, but if yours doesn't work, don't worry, I'll show you a way out. So as soon as you are here, you will see over here at the bottom here, the official bots that are available, and one of them is the O3-mini. You have the O3-mini high, but that one is for the subscribers, pro subscribers. So you can use the O3-mini here for free. If you're unable to get it here, and of course you see we have the O1 preview and O1-mini as well. Some are for subscribers, but some are for free users like you and I. So what we will do is that you click on the O-mini over here. And once the bot is open, you can now go ahead and chat with it. So as you can see, I just had a chat with the OpenAI O3-mini model for absolutely free. If you are a free user, POE gives you 3,000 credit every day. And as you can see, this is my remaining credit. And after some hours, it will be reset for me. However, if you want to have an unlimited usage and get access to some of the pro bots, then you need to subscribe. And that one, you can follow this option to subscribe. Thank you very much for staying up to the end of this short video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you share this video with others as well. And don't forget that I'll be uploading many other videos in the coming days. And for you not to miss, do well to check up the channel every day. Thank you. Bye-bye.